Hi YouTubers, welcome to Amazing Gadgets. Today I will be reviewing the Amazon Basics high-speed A to C type HDMI to mini HDMI cable with Ethernet. The one I have right here is a 9.8 feet 3 meter one. Amazon Basics also have a 6.5 feet 2 meter one. Now this cable, unlike my other reviews, this cable I would definitely not recommend for you to purchase because I bought it and I connected my camera up to the TV and the video feed wasn't there. That's the first problem. I wiggled the connection a little bit and I got a video feed for a few seconds. Then the video feed went blank again. And again, you know, this connection is not very stable. Now, one thing I do have to say, Amazon was pretty generous. I requested a return. They refunded me my money and they said I could keep this. So here is me reviewing it. That's pretty generous of them. So anyways, let me show you the problem right now. So now I have my Canon EOS 70 plugged into the TV right now via the HDMI cable, and you can see there is no video feed on my TV. Now there is. There isn't. Now there. Yeah, it's not a very stable connection. You could try to make it. I mean, I think the problem with this cable is no sudden movement. Any movement, your video feed's gonna turn off for a bit, then it's gonna connect again. See, any sudden movement, it's gonna make a disconnect. So this cable I definitely don't recommend. Now I will have the product link in the video description below as always, but like I said, you shouldn't buy this. It's not working that well. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.